Native Clown 23 here. I'm going to be breaking this 2014 Panini Hot Rookies box. 50 cards per box, so let's get into it. Here's our base pack. And we didn't get a hot pack. Ace Sanders, Michael Floyd, Levante David, Josh McCown, Joe Flacco, Donnie Woodhead, Keenan Allen, Robert Quinn, Alfred Morris. Ooh, we pulled a printing plate. Wow. Who is this of? Jordy Nelson, magenta plate. 1 of 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. Cam Chancellor, 30 of 35. McGloin, Frank Gore. Green Ellis, Dwayne Bowe. Brian Hartline. Arian Foster, Kendall Wright. Hunter, Holly, Drew Brees. Cobb, RG3, Selleck, Bennett, Xavier Rhodes, Sherman, Richardson, Lynch, Revis, and Von Miller. Wow. Look at that. Not autographed, but really cool. Alright, next pack. Inserts. Martavis Bryant, rookie. Zach Menberger, rookie. This Bruce Ellington, rookie, 24 of 35. Andre Williams, Zach Martin, Kelvin Pryor, Derquise Denard, Shane Scov, Connor Shaw, and Chris Borland. Okay, here's our autograph patch pack. Alright, so we got Brothers in Arms Raiders. Got a die cut of Josh Gordon. Brothers in Arms Cardinals. Franchise Kelvin Johnson. And our hit is a Brown. So hopefully let it be someone good. And a Jordan Cameron. It's pretty cool. He's not bad. He's a Dolphin now. Pretty cool. And here's our 3 autographs. Hopefully we get a Odell Beckham or something crazy like that. So our first autograph, inscriptions, Tim Wright. We got a red back there. We got 150 Panini points. I don't know, pretty cool. And our red autograph, Deion Buchanan, 18 of 75. That's pretty cool. He's a linebacker. Pretty nice box. Pulled a printing plate. Jordy Nelson. Thanks for watching.